In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a brochure from Canva. Whether you're a small business owner, a student, or someone looking to create stunning, professional-looking brochures without the hassle of expensive software, this guide is perfect for you. We'll break it down into simple, easy-to-follow steps, so by the end of this video, you'll be ready to print your beautifully designed brochures. Let's get started by going to Canva's website. If you're not familiar, Canva is a fantastic online design tool that's free and accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. Once you're on their homepage, you'll want to log into your account. If you're new, you'll need to create an account using your email or Google account. For returning users, just click Log In and then Continue to proceed with your saved settings. Next, you'll need to select your Google account if that's what you use to log in. It's as simple as clicking on your username from the list provided. If prompted, click Continue again to confirm your login securely. Now that you're logged into your Canva account, it's time to open up the brochure you've been working on. Simply locate the correct design from your dashboard or the Your Designs section. Once your brochure is open, direct your attention to the top right corner and find the Share button. Clicking on this gives you a few options, but what we're interested in is the Download feature. Click on Download and you'll see a menu with different file type options. Here you'll want to choose PDF Print, which is considered the best for printing due to its high quality. Before you hit that Download button, there's an important step that can make your printing process much easier: enabling crop marks and bleed. Checking this option will add useful crop marks to your document, which serve as guides for trimming your brochures to size after printing. This tiny step helps ensure your final product looks professional. Once everything is set, go ahead and click Download. Your brochure will start downloading to your device as a PDF file. With that done, you can now open your PDF with any PDF viewer or tool you're using, like Adobe Reader or even a web browser, and print directly from there. By following these steps, you've now successfully designed, formatted, and prepared your brochure for printing, all from the comfort of Canva's easy-to-use platform. It's really that straightforward. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different design elements and layouts to better suit your needs. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.